The unable to determine fee error on Coinbase happens when the platform can't estimate transaction fees due to high network congestion, especially on Ethereum. This error occurs when Coinbase can't estimate transaction fees due to high network congestion on Ethereum. This mainly occurs during peak times, like NFT drops or DeFi events, when gas fees become highly unpredictable. This prevents Coinbase from setting a competitive fee to ensure your transaction is processed in a timely manner. Ethereum transactions require gas to compensate validators for processing computational work. Gas consists of two key components: gas price, measured in GUI, which is a tiny fraction of ETH, and gas limit, the maximum amount of gas units allowed for the transaction. Network congestion happens when transaction demand exceeds the available block space on Ethereum. This causes extreme volatility in gas prices, making fee predictions unreliable and triggering errors. During high congestion, gas prices can spike exponentially, as shown in this historical gas price chart and the rising fee trends. In 2025, Coinbase enhanced its gas fee estimator using real-time data from sources like Chainlink oracles. This improvement reduced the unable to determine fee errors by 40%. Coinbase also prioritizes Layer 2 solutions like Base, their own L2 network. On these Layer 2 networks, transaction fees are significantly lower compared to Ethereum mainnet. Despite these improvements, mainnet congestion during crypto surges can still trigger the error. The updates include dynamic fee suggestions based on historical data and AI predictions for better accuracy. If you encounter the unable to determine fee error, start by retrying the transaction right away. Coinbase allows manual retries where you can adjust the parameters to improve your chances of success. Consider increasing the gas limit, especially for complex transactions that require more computational resources. This helps ensure your transaction gets processed even during busy times. Use the max fee settings to cap your costs and prevent overpaying for gas. This gives you control over your spending while still allowing the transaction to go through. If retrying doesn't work, wait for network congestion to decrease. Check network status tools to find the best time to resubmit your transaction. A primary solution to avoid the unable to determine fee error is using Layer 2 networks. These are secondary blockchains built on top of Ethereum that process transactions more efficiently. Coinbase's Layer 2 solution called Base is particularly effective. Transactions on Base are processed much faster and at a fraction of the cost compared to Ethereum's main network. Coinbase now defaults many transactions to Layer 2 networks like Base. In 2025, 60% of Ethereum transactions are routed through Base to bypass high mainnet fees, costing significantly less. For example, 0.01 ETH on Base compared to 0.1 ETH on the main Ethereum network. Use block explorers like Etherscan to monitor real-time gas prices. Coinbase's advanced send mode lets you override defaults. Be cautious, as this requires crypto knowledge to avoid failed transactions. Tools like GasNow or Coinbase's fee calculator help you make informed decisions. During Coinbase's 2025 Black Friday crypto sale, a surge in ETH transactions caused gas fees to spike dramatically, triggering the unable to determine fee error for many users. Coinbase responded by routing transactions to Layer 2 networks, which resolved 90% of the issues within just a few hours. Users who switched to Base, Coinbase's Layer 2 solution, saved an average of $50 per transaction, demonstrating the clear benefits of these faster, cheaper alternatives. Looking ahead, trends point toward decentralization and scalability solutions like Layer 2 networks, significantly reducing fee errors. AI-driven fee estimation is improving accuracy by predicting gas prices more reliably. By 2026-2027, Ethereum upgrades such as sharding and zero-knowledge proofs could eliminate congestion-related errors entirely. Experts predict a significant drop in fee volatility as Layer 2 adoption continues to grow.